Well, Feldmeier is a great local company. Since I've been in this role, they've actually, this is their second expansion. And ironically enough, they chose us to do the second expansion when they were already pre-planning to do it in the state of Iowa.
We were able to convince them that remaining here in Syracuse and expanding here in the central New York area was not only to their advantage in terms of their ability to expand their markets, but also we could make an attractive incentive package for them to consider here as opposed to Iowa.
Dave and I were getting ready to fly to one of our facilities. I looked at Dave and I said, Dave, we're not doing it. Good luck. You know, we want to change the narrative here. We want to be change agents, you know, and we can have good things.
I had to go deliver to a bunch of community politicians in another state where we have a facility, that telling them that we were not going to go build a new facility there, and we made this decision to do it here, primarily because of the political climate that Ryan McMahon brings and the positive nature that he brings towards business. Feldmeier's flown under the radar for many years. People don't really realize what we do and what we're all about. We're the largest sanitary vessel manufacturer in the Western Hemisphere, and our markets are the food, dairy, beverage, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, brewing type industries.
We believe in Onondaga County that we are really well positioned in advanced manufacturing, that this should be the place in North America where we make things. If you look at where we are logistically, if you look at our infrastructure that we have water, we have land, we have wastewater, we have power, we have workforce assets. This is another point in time and another case study of why that pitch that we're making to companies is true.
So Feldmeier already has approximately 140 people working in the community. This expansion of 82,000 square feet is important because they're going to be increasing their production capacity, and that'll add 25 full-time jobs to their existing payroll. So it's very important in terms of overall growth.
Employment has always been a challenge, and I think if you talk to any business owner anywhere, employment is a real challenge. Through automation, we're hoping to attract a higher level and skill set of employee.
The reality is, for any company to invest tens of millions of dollars, they need certainty, and they need to be able to get back their investment over a period of time. And OSIDA can really help with the certainty related to the benefits we provide.
Well, without Ryan, you know, and his vision, I don't think Feldmeier would continue to grow in Onondaga County. You know, he's a pretty passionate individual. You know, as you spend, 10 minutes with him, this is where you want to be, and this is where you want to grow. This is where our families are, right? This is where our kids live as well. We want them to stay here. And I think with more organizations like Feldmeier can kind of step up and expand in this area, we want to help change the narrative. This is where we want to grow. This is where we want to be. The resources around this area are amazing.
And I can only compliment Bob Petrovich and his team, because we don't deal with this every day. But his team was insightful, walked us through the process, made it seamless and easy for us to go take advantage of the opportunities to make this project mutually beneficial and profitable for us.
And why not in Syracuse? Why not in Onondaga County? There's no better place to be.
The IDA has proven time and time again to be a critical tool with all of these larger employers that are coming into our community to really level the playing field as we work to attract companies to expand here and keep their investment here. We got to make sure we're competitive, and the IDA really does that.